Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. This time I'm going to show you how I play Adult Education by Hall & Oates on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is A minor. We're going to start the song with some double stops. And double stops are 2-note chords. We're going to go all the way up to fret 15 and 17 and play this. Then we'll drop down to fret 8 and 10 and play this. So that's. And we're just playing the B and high E string for that. Next, we'll move to fret 8 on the B string and fret 7 on the high E. Play that. And then we'll go to fret 10 on the high E with the little finger and then up strum. So we have. And then we'll go back to fret 8 and 10 and do this. So we did a down strum, up strum, and then a pull off, like that. So here's the entire thing. We'll do that again. And the chord we went to is an A minor 7, and we're making that chord by holding down the D string and everything below it at fret 5. In the recording, that's going to sound like this. Next, we'll play some chords, and the chords will sound like this. 2, 3, 4. Now those chords are an F major 7 formed this way. I'm holding down the D string at fret 3 and barring the G, B, and high E string at fret 5. Then I'll go to a G add 9 formed this way. For that one, I'm holding down the D string at fret 5, the G string at fret 4, the B and high E at fret 3, but I'm going to bring my little finger in to the high E string at fret 5. Okay, and we'll be using a G chord like this without the little finger later, and an F chord like this. Okay, so that's our F form, G form, and the G at 9 form. We'll play those chords this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. the strumming pattern we're using is this. And that's down, up, down, up. Next chord, down, up, down, up, down. And then the last chord, A minor 7. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's our pattern. Again. And after that, we'll do a little riff that goes like this. We're going to play that riff by going to the D string, fret 7, fret 10, and then the G string, fret 9, 8, 7. So that's played together, that'll sound like this. Now we're going to do our chorus. And for the chorus, we're going to go to F, G, A minor 7, like this. Slide it down. Then down, up. So that was a down, up, up. Again. After that, we'll go back into our beginning riff. Next, we'll move to the second verse. And in the second verse, we have a second guitar that plays some picking. And it's going to sound something like this. Here's the entire thing again, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And with a recording, it'll sound something like this. Next, we'll go to the bridge. And for the bridge, we're going to do some muted strumming. It's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was on the D string at fret 7, the G string at fret 7, and the G string at fret 5. Now what we're doing is holding down that string and then using a finger back here to mute the strings and just playing and emphasizing that one string. So it's down, 5, back again. That's how we're going to play that part. Now the last thing we're going to have to do is the ending strumming, and it's going to sound like this. 2, ready, play. Here's that strumming pattern. Down, up, up, down, up, down, down, down. So that's down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Here it is again. Then we're going to go back and forth from the G down to the A minor 7, like that. And then we'll end the song like this. And we'll conclude our song doing that. Well, my friends, that's how I play Adult Education by Hall & Oates on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.